Hello everybody, this is YouTube user Floridian Elevators. We are in downtown Orlando right now with Joseph and Riley. Anyways, we are going to explore another high-rise downtown Orlando. This one, as you're gonna see, is the Bank of America Plaza, downtown Orlando. This building opened back in 1986, very nice building, and the elevators were installed in 1986 as Otis Elevonic 401 with EPCO Flushline. Sad though, in November of 2016, this place started an elevator modernization and by KONE Corporation with Innovation Prestige Fixtures. So we're gonna go to this building. As of right now, only the office elevators, and the main service elevator and the penthouse elevator are still original. However, they've modernized or totally replaced the parking elevators and have modernized a lobby loading dock elevator and a lobby hydro. So with that being said, enjoy the video. We will first start off with riding the main high-rise office elevators. So with that being said, let's give them a ride, which are Otis Elevonic 401 with EPCO Flushline.
These are going to be the elevators at the Bank of America Plaza in Orlando. No. They're soon to get modernized by KONE. Otis Elevonic 401 with EPCO Flushline Fixtures from 1986. And they're soon going to get modded by KONE. So let's take some final rides on the elevator. And we got...
Again, they get modernized by KONE.
Very soon. There's Joseph and Riley.
Hi.
Final ride on the Otis Elevonic 401s from 1986.
Flush-mounted
With
panel.
EPCO Flushline. And yes, the fixtures are original from when these were installed.
These are fast. These are.
It's unfortunate these are going to get modded. I'm going to want to take a couple rides on this one.
Gonna caught that classic level.
Let's go down to that lobby. Ooh, listen to that.
What?
They got I heard some call recognition. ADA phone?
Yep. Whoa. This cabby is Joseph.
It's cab view. Here's...
Love the floor.
Very nice, yeah.
Again, high ceiling.
Thankfully, these have not been touched yet. But that's not going to last for long, unfortunately. There's a brass panel, high. Let's get another ride.
Interesting indicators.
Have you been in here, Julie?
Yeah, last year.
Okay. Did I show you the shuttle elevator over there?
No, I don't know.
We'll see the other side.
This is very sad.
Security let you go on your own if I stay in the
Hey, it's an EPCO flush-mounted panel line.
Probably best to stay with this.
At home.
Okay.
A couple times I haven't been happy.
And Visty's never seen it before, person.
It's 21, 22.
Like I said, having them both usually just...
Yeah.
All right, we're stopping. Going up.
Good morning.
Morning. We're elevator fans. We're getting a ride on these. I heard they're gonna get modernized very soon.
With KONE.
Yep.
What my hat said.
These are still Otis Elevonic 401s from 1986 with EPCO Flushline Fixtures.
I thought we were at 25.
Anyways, 25.
Okay, you want to get
Oh,
over
this
here?
is fun.
Let's get off and ride the transfer elevator. 25. Shh. Let's get off. Wait. No, not that one. This one. And there's the service elevator. Lantern doesn't work on this one.
Yeah?
Wait.
28.
26.
No, 28. Over there.
Oh,
Oops.
Yeah, you're
there was a key. Love that noise. Okay, now watch this. Traction Whoa.
Whoa.
Let's go down to 25.
Yeah. Did you catch the classic leveling?
No, I'm gonna get it next time. I'm gonna take another ride. ADA phone. Let's watch it level. This one I think is actually relay controlled, this one.
All right.
One more ride.
Yeah.
Here's a last look at the fixtures before they get modded.
Yeah, this one has good classic leveling.
And I love the whooshing noise when it goes up. Watch your leveling. All right, and let's get a.
Interesting view.
I know. And there's your call buttons right here.
It's just like the other one. It's Joseph.
Hello?
It's Julian.
Yep. Hey,
It's just like the other one.
I'm thankful Riley made it here before they all get modded.
Yeah.
All right, and there's Riley, and then there's Joseph right here. We'll ride the service elevator later. But
I
anyway,
got to miss it.
before there's the service, but we're gonna ride those a couple more times. I wanna ride, come on, I wanna ride. Why?
So, never hung a couple times, I think you're pushing your luck now.
Fine. Anyways, let's get on the service. Series 1 call stations.
Looks pretty good. With it.
Yeah.
It's original Series 1.
This one actually has EPCO on the inside, but they just use Series 1 call buttons for some reason.
It looks nice.
You reading this one?
Yeah, it's slow and it's a service elevator.
Yeah, it should be coming.
You might not want to go. I'm not sure what floor you want to go to. Probably not the lobby, but
I
Yeah,
just want to get on and do a cab view.
we could ride it like a few floors down, but just not the
Okay.
lobby.
just not all the way down. We'll take the main elevators to the lobby to exit.
So the
I
main
think that's the
is at
best
21.
idea.
Are you making this all one video?
Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a big Adobe Premiere Pro video about this, yes. I'm making a highly edited video.
Probably could just speed it up.
Well, like.
Here it
Joseph
is.
said, it's a service elevator.
We'll just go down a few floors. Look at that.
That service elevator is
Pretty good.
really tall.
All right, let's go down. Which floor should we go, Joseph?
21.
See?
I
Yeah,
guess so.
you could try 21. Sometimes they're locked.
What is locked? It's key carded.
19.
19.
We might do the lawyers elevators down.
Yeah, we'll do the other banks because they were gonna get modded as well. Normally I just ride the high rises, but we'll do some of the other banks because they're gonna get modded. 19.
Never been on a service elevator before.
Let's go back up to.
Oh,
All right,
Wayne, you pushing your luck?
all right. We'll leave this one. Let's watch it. Here's this bank. This is, I think, 16 to 20.
I guess so. That one works.
Let's get a look in.
Only to- Yep, you're right. It is good to 20.
Let's go down to the lobby.
Oh, stuck.
A lot of doors are stuck, but it may be they're locked too.
Sometimes you just gotta.
Yes, there we go.
Yeah. They
Oh,
just.
it's like a magnet.
Yeah. Sometimes they're not working for a while.
Your phone's in here.
You have to really tug out.
Yeah. ADA compliant.
Are we good here?
Yes.
Do you want to go up one more ride or no?
No.
All
I
right.
think I can end it right now.
Anyways, I think. All right. that's it.
Now we are going to ride some brand new, newly replaced KONE Ecodisc elevators here. They used to be Otis Hydraulic Elevators, with EPCO Flushline. I think they might have been modded by Thyssenkrupp a few years ago, but I'm not sure because I haven't ridden them. But now they've been completely replaced with Ecodiscs. So with that being said, let's give them a ride.
These are going to be the brand new parking elevators at the Bank of America Plaza in Orlando. Riley and Joseph, guess what? They've been modded by KONE. Actually, totally replaced. They used to be Otis Hydros from 1986 with EPCO Flushline buttons, but now they've been modded by KONE. Actually, totally replaced by KONE. They used to be Hydros. They got completely replaced with these new Ecodiscs. I want to get off it too because you know it's you know, just garage. We'll get off here because I don't want to get in the lobby. We'll go up one more time. But yep, these are officially modded, and you can already hear the brakes. That's.
Indicators look like EPCO inch lines.
But yep, these have been completely replaced. All that's left original is the outer doors. These have been completely ripped out and brand new elevators installed. This is not a mod. This is a total replacement. These were still original back when I was here last year.
Innovation Prestige, which I really love, like Jim. I know you love Prestige.
But they're KONE, so not sure how much you'll like this. Oh, this one just came back up. Let's go up to Garage 6.
You can see the Ecodisc up
Wait,
there.
where? Oh yeah, look at that.
There's
you can
the
see the
Ecodisc.
Ecodisc. Oh, look at that, yeah. Let me zoom in. I hope it
That's
doesn't nudge.
interesting.
Yeah, you can see the Ecodisc. These used to be Hydros, but completely replaced. Let's go up to 6. And then we'll end on 2, and then we'll...
They replaced the cab.
Yeah, totally replace these. New platforms, new motors, new everything on these. We're
nice
here.
pictures, by the way.
Is the third parking elevator still turned off?
I think so, yeah.
Because they haven't started the.
Go to the lobby or something.
We'll get off here.
If you look, you can kind of see in the shaft, and you can look down, there's wires at the bottom.
The interlockers were replaced.
Yeah, you can see. Can't really see
There's
them.
the wires.
Can't see the remaining pumps that have not been taken out, but yeah, I think, which one is under construction, do you know? Yep, that one's completely, they took that elevator out totally. All right, we're gonna end this video. Anyways, that's gonna be it.
Well, now we're going to ride the last elevator here in this building, which was just recently modernized this past fall or winter by KONE. I believe it might still have an Otis Hydro motor, but Joseph thinks it's been replaced with a third-party motor. But anyways, KONE did put Innovation Prestige fixtures and a brand new controller on this elevator. And yeah, we'll see how it rides. When this thing was first modded, there was this big gap right in the between the COP and the wall, so you could get electrocuted if you put your fingers into the COP, but thankfully they fixed it, but did a cheap job with it. And you're gonna see what I mean. You can probably see the thin piece of metal where the gap was. But anyways, enjoy this last elevator.
All right. This is the shuttle elevator here at the Bank of America, and look, this one's still an Otis Hydro, but it got a slap-on mod by KONE.
Julia.
Let me see, where?
Look at those.
Oh, they replaced the sensors though. And it looks like they replaced the door equipment, but this still has the original motor because KONE doesn't make Hydros
No,
anymore.
This is a new motor.
Oh, really?
Schindler.
They ordered it from a new company, I believe.
Oh, wow. And it looks like they fixed that gap somewhat.
You hear it. When we go up, it doesn't sound like Otis.
It's cab view. This is Julian.
We'll see.
Hi.
Not seeing
And
cameras.
it also classic levels, which is surprising for a hydraulic.
Oh, this is a new motor. Oh, they
That's what
must.
Joseph was saying.
Yeah, you'll hear it when we go.
Innovation Prestige.
This one's just got modded. Yeah, this is a new motor. KONE must have ordered it from someone else.
So is the Yard House.
Let's watch the classic level on the other side.
Made it.
Barely any. But yeah, there used to be this big gap where you could like get electrocuted, I think.
Acme indicator.
But it looks like they fixed that. After this, as soon as we reach the lobby, we're gonna leave. All right, that's it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video touring the elevators in this very nice building. I'm pretty sad about the modernization. I much prefer Otis over KONE. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So with that being said, Floridian Elevators is signing off.